Hello everyone, and today we're taking 2 rolls of Kentmere 100 black and white pan film. The 120 version, that would be medium format, in our Mamiya M645 with the 55 to 110 zoom. All of the film today was developed in CityScape DF96 mono bath. I love that. There is no fixer required for that. And these were scanned on an Epson V600 and was very happy with the scans. They're very sharp. I love medium format. All right, guys, hang in there. Let me know what you think, and we're going to take a ride around and see what we come up with. Okay, here we go. We've got some very cool things here. Let's see. These cars would be great if they weren't here, but they are. So let's see what we get here. Let's get an angle over this way. So again, we don't get these cars in here. Like that. Let's see what else we can come up with here. Again, the idea here is to show the Kentmere 100, which should give us finer grain, even though we are using the mono bath DF96. Okay, here's our shot. Let's see what else we can come up with over here on this very cool type of backgrounds, these old-fashioned buildings. Very nice. Okay, this is kind of cool here too. We're going to go horizontal and vertical on this one. Okay, now let's go ahead and do a vertical, which, oh yeah, I think that's going to come out better. The goal is not to go completely at the 55, which is the extreme end of the lens, or 110, because usually that's not going to be the sharpest part of the lens. So instead of 55, if I can go 60, that's always nice. Okay, let's see what we get here. Kind of cool, kind of busy, but for black and white, I like busy. So if that pole wasn't right in front of that door, that would work. Just don't like that, but I do kind of like this angle here. We'll go for this. This should probably be, I'm gonna go 5.6 on this. Bet we're getting darker back here. Let's play with our, it's about 10 shots, so let's see. Oh, I like this. Yeah, with a bicycle. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, here we go. Simple shot. I like that. That may be a little dark, but okay. We're gonna get dark in here. I don't think I have enough room to back up and just get this. No, I do not. So I'm not gonna do it. This is an empty building in here. That's kind of cool, but nothing I can, oh, that would be, oh, I could get back here. I don't want to be in the photo. Okay, nice, very nice. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm not sure about that. What I can do here. Okay, I like this as well. I'm gonna go F11 on this one. And here we go. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah. Might have shot this before with a different roll. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Okay, I'm glad I saved a couple here. Let's see, can I get this whole, okay, I can get this. Just a little tight, but back up here. Oh, yes. And I'm gonna take one more here as a vertical. I try to frame these so I don't have to crop after. I like to crop in camera. Here we go. Here's our shot. Ah, yes. Okay, that's shot 15, so we should be just about done. Okay, here we go. This would be good for color, but oh, there's another. The side of that building would be sweet. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see. How you doing, man? All right. Just so neat back here taking pictures of all the... Yeah, oh, you know film. There we go. Yeah, my Mamiya M645. I just picked it up about a month or two ago. Nice. In the middle of the winter, worst time to... and just out doing the thing, so... Okay, so we are at another place that's got some very cool stuff, and if we are at 2/50th of a second, we're using our Kentmere 100, so we're gonna get this meter reading right here, and it shows us that we should be at 5.6 at 2/50th of a second. I like to stay at 2/50th because I don't like the possibility for camera shake, but I'm gonna go 8. And I guess I'll go 1/25th of a second. Okay, so here's our shot here. Let me get around here so I don't get this fence in. Just kind of like this egg roll shot here. Kind of neat. Okay, here we go. And here's our shot. Oh, I don't want to get a car in there, so... Oh, got my shutter locked, which is a good thing. Okay, here we go. Oh, no cars. And now there's going to be a motorcycle, of course. These cars out of the way. We'll keep that motorcycle in there. That's okay. Okay, that's the first shot. I'm going to get a second shot straight on. First shot on the roll. Always kind of scary because, I don't know, just is. Okay, wish we didn't have all those cars back there behind it, but we're going to go ahead and do this. And again, we are at 1/25th of a second at F8. See if we can get these cars moving out of the way, although I don't think it'll make a difference. Actually, if I kind of go at this angle and get rid of some of those cars. Not all of them, but okay, that's that one. Then we've got this sports bar back here. This is kind of cool. See if I can, yeah, I can kind of frame this without this shed in the way, kinda. That seems a little cheesy though. Let's do it just the bar. This is kind of a tricky shot here, but let's go ahead and do it. Actually, if I get it at a little bit of an angle here, I can get that S out of there. There we go. Very, very nice. Okay, we got that one. Let's see what else we can do here. We got some neat stuff back here. I could do an angle of the sports bar. That's kind of nice. Okay, I can do an angle and I can get that satellite dish in there. I bet you this one would take me to... I'm going to go 2/50th of a second on this at F8. F5.6 would probably be okay, but boy, I just feel like I want to get as much as I can. Here we go. Here's our shot. Very nice. Very nice. I like this. Okay, so I don't want to get too crazy. I think we're good here. So we'll see what else we come up with. 2/50th of a second. Here we go. Gotta unlock my shutter. Okay, so we are at 2/50th of a second, 5.6, and here's our shot. Again, nothing to get excited about, but I like these. Something about this stuff I enjoy. Okay, lock my shutter. Always lock your shutter. There we go. That boy on? Okay, it's on. Okay, so again, we're looking for the, whoops, I need my, gotta have the light meter. Again, we're using Kentmere 100, so it says at 2/50th, we need to be at 5.6. If we go down to 1/25th of a second, we can go to 8. I really like being at 8, but I'm not thrilled about being down to 125th of a second. But we're gonna do it anyway since we're standing still. Okay, so this is kind of cool. Let's see what I can do here. I like to get a lot of different objects. So we've got this scene here. Okay, here we go. This is a tight one. to get everything in there that we need in there, but we're going to get it, and there we are. So let's see, I'm not sure. I do like these little telephone poles being very extremely low. I kind of like these little hoods up here. Let's see, how does this... this does not make for an interesting shot, but we're going to shoot it anyway. Here we go. Well, let's pull it out a little bit. Okay, F8, and here's our shot. I don't think I'm gonna like that. All right, so we're gonna find a new location. We've got about 6 shots left on this roll. Okay, so we're gonna get this shot here. We are at 2/50th of, or no, we're at 1/25th of a second. F8. Okay, we got the local pool here. Okay, so we're at 1/25th of a second at 5.6. And we're gonna get the entrance here. So that it might be kind of neat, I don't know. Maybe not. Okay, if I kind of get down. Here's our shot. Okay, let me walk up here. See if there would be anything inside or any other angle. It's kind of cool. This would be neat with color. So do I focus on the screen or what's behind the screen? Let's see, I have to be back here. Oh, that wouldn't be good. So if I focus on what's behind the screen, be like this. So is this any good? We'll find out. Oh, that's still not quite. Yeah, okay, so here's our shot. Oh, I feel like that was a waste. I feel like every shot's a waste. We are at number 12. That gives us about 3 more to go. Okay, so I gotta hurry up and take this before somebody comes out and tells me I cannot do it. Okay, here's our shot. So let's see here. I want to get out here in the street and get a straight on shot. If anybody tells us not to. Just gonna take this shot, probably not. There we go. Not quite sure on that. Okay, so we're 5.6 on this bad boy. There we go. And that's the end of this roll. Okay. All right, guys, so we've shot another roll of Kentmere 100 with our Mamiya 645, M645. It is the manual edition, and finishing up here at this, well, this abandoned house, and wanted to get this one knocked out and finish this roll up, which we have. This is the second roll in the same day, but at any rate, I'm going to get out of here before I get yelled at, and we'll see how this roll comes out. Hope you enjoy it.